over 32 years, Journey's history has been rooted in the footwear and accessory retail experience. Over the years, as the Journeys brand gained popularity with a growing audience of teen and young adult consumers, it has seen exponential growth and expansion to additional banners such as She, Journeys Kids, and Underground. At its Lebanon, Tennessee DC, the operation was designed by FORTNA in 2002 to support 800 stores with the annual volume of 17 million units. The company has experienced rapid growth over the last several years, especially in the Journeys division, so that today it must support 1,200 stores with an annual volume of 36 million units, as well as a growing e-com channel. Journeys highly values its culture and despite rapid growth, desires above all else to retain that culture.
We're 1,300 stores and growing. As you walk in the door, we're very excited to see each other. It's that true family atmosphere. Our team members they're dedicated, they're hardworking, they enjoy what they do. They're high energy, full of excitement, ready to come to work each day. They love challenges, they're innovative, they're creative.
Journeys was facing a changing business landscape. The company needed to enhance its omni-channel capabilities. At the same time, they were seeing increased competition for scarce labor and the ability to meet high service level expectations, even during peak seasons, was critical. They would need to optimize for efficiency to prepare for the next wave of growth. In doing so, they sought to honor the past, yet innovate for the future.
We needed to increase our capabilities at our warehouse, not only our throughput for our stores, but for our e-commerce. We needed to enlarge our storage as well as our active SKU locations. In order to distinguish ourselves, we were committed to making great investments in a very employee-friendly workplace and a very friendly and open environment. What was most important to me was the project had to be seamless. We had no disruption to our service levels, our high service levels to our customers during the transition. One of the things that were important was to have flexibility, scalability, and building not just for today, but for the future growth of Journeys. We needed a partner that would be accountable, that would guarantee their work, and be with us every step of the way.
Journeys called on longtime partner FORTNA to collaborate on the strategy and business case justification for an expansion and modernization of their existing facility. Together, Journeys and FORTNA developed an integrated design and implementation plan that would increase the size of the building by 200,000 square feet. They decided to remodel the entrance, offices, and employee amenities to reflect the value they placed on their family of employees. They also optimized operations with a built-in flexibility to allow Journeys to adjust to dynamic market changes over time.
It's about making people understand what the Journeys brand is about, and that's, career opportunity, being competitive in the base wage, and just showing people that we actually care about the growth of our employees and the new hires coming in the door. We want that great first impression for them. This new entrance is about, we want our employee to feel comfortable and come in and not feel like they're just at work and feel like they're at home and they can actually relax. Another thing that we added was the market. We made it bigger, so to give the employee more options and feel like they can stay here and actually have a nice meal instead of having to go out and find that down the road somewhere.
As product from today's hottest brands like Adidas, Vans, Converse, Puma, and others arrive in receiving to be unloaded, put away, and replenished, the company takes advantage of the opportunity for cross-stock of up to 20% of receipts, which allows them to increase throughput. The receiving area is designed with flexibility for future automation and increased cross-stocking as the needs change over time. And increased storage capacity reduces the time it takes to replenish fast movers with more floor-level picking.
We changed some of our manual processes and added automation, and that was going to create the flexibility we needed for the future growth of Journeys. The Journeys omni-channel customer expects the product to be delivered on time. One of the big reasons for the expansion was that we created that opportunity of opening up our capacity and the flexibility to be able to do more omni-channel orders, and we've added pack stations to be able to handle the volume during the busy times.
Journeys was able to increase picking efficiency by switching over from a discrete order to a batch picking method. They added put-to-light walls for multi-line order processing and single pack stations to streamline e-commerce orders. They are using AutoZone routing and cart methods that cluster pick orders going to retail stores.
One of the major changes that we made to our processes is that we now batch pick our omni-channel orders. So previously we used to pick them one at a time, and we do about 3,500 or so on average per day, but that number can quadruple at peak, so you're looking at 14,000 cartons on the conveyor lines. We were never designed to handle that. This gives us a creative solution to now be able to service our customers in a much, much more efficient way.
When we were looking at the design for the building and wanting to meet our e-commerce needs, we were looking very strongly at put wall processes, and the fact that FORTNA already had that capability and was able to easily support that was a big decision for us. We selected FORTNA WES as a no-brainer, really. We have used FORTNA control software for many years in the Journeys DC, and it's tightly integrated with our WMS. We knew that we would get the best of breed technologies as well as a known entity in the FORTNA team, both in design and implementation. The FORTNA WES solution gives us the necessary flexibility and scalability to evolve and grow right alongside our business.
Because of the retrofit, Journeys was able to increase inventory storage capacity by 200%, increase active SKU count by 60%, increase retail throughput of units by 60%, and e-com throughput by 200%, and increase overall carton throughput by 80%.
Our CMO, Pete Hicks, challenged us to come up with a solution that would enable future growth, that would be flexible, and that would support the business for years and years to come. We had gotten to the point where the growth, we just could not get it out as quickly as we wanted to, and as quickly as the customer expects us to. This streamlined process allows us to actually meet those customer demands. We partner with FORTNA because they've been our long-term partners. We've come to trust FORTNA, and really they are now our go-to group when considering something like this. We always feel like they've given us good guidance. Their breadth of expertise across material handling equipment, across system design, facility layout, it's just very, very good.
With the changes to the DC, Journeys is well positioned for the future. They have the capacity to support growth, the efficiency to deliver the highest levels of service to both stores and online customers, and the flexibility to adapt their operations as needs change over time. By investing in their people and the culture that has been the backbone of their success, the Journeys family will continue to attract and retain the best talent in the market.